Hi, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to design a professional and responsive looking website right from scratch without any coding experience. My name is Kayode and I'm a web designer. In this video, I will show you how to design a professional looking website using WordPress and the powerful page builder called Elementor. Now, WordPress is a free and open source content management system that allows users to design any kind of website right from scratch. You don't even have to know how to code. If you want to design a website, it's as simple as clicking elements and dragging them into your web page. For example, you need a text on your web page, simply click the text element and drag it into your web page. You need an image, click the image element and drag it into your web page. Whether you're a beginner or you are learning and looking to know how to design a professional website, this tutorial is for you. I'll show you exactly how to design a complete website without any hassles. Now let me show you what we'll cover in this video. First, I'll show you how to get a domain name and an hosting plan. A domain name simply means the address to your website. A domain name is instagram.com, apple.com or facebook.com. It simply means the address you want your users to put into their browser to visit your website. And what is an hosting plan? An hosting plan simply means a special computer that stores all the files on your website into one place, so that when someone types in your domain name into their browser, they're able to see your website live on the internet. So for your website to be live on the internet, you need an hosting plan that saves all the contents of your website. Now in this video, we are going to be purchasing a domain name and an hosting plan from Namecheap. Meanwhile, if you are just looking to follow along in this tutorial and you do not want to purchase an hosting plan just yet, I will show you exactly how to get a free domain name and a free hosting plan just so you can follow along in this tutorial. Then I will show you exactly how to install WordPress right from your control panel. And using a powerful page builder called Elementor, we are going to design this beautiful home page with this transparent looking menu items right here. And also we are going to design an about me page. We're also going to design a tutorial page which has videos so that when people click on these videos, they're able to view these videos right on your website. We're also going to design the contact me page with a form which people can always fill when they enter into your contact me page. We're also going to create a blog page and customize the blog post so that people can come to your website and read the articles right on your website. We also learn how to link buttons on our website to their respective pages so that when you click a particular button, it takes the visitors to a page and all your buttons are functional. And we also make sure that our website is tablet and mobile responsive. Now, it is not enough to have your website in the desktop view alone. We are going to make sure that your website is mobile and tablet responsive. Now, if you'd like to follow along step by step in this tutorial, I will drop all the files I'll be using to design this website right in the description. So if you want to follow along, be sure to download all the files there and you can follow every step of the way.